Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity. Now, guys, remember, the information presented by Delta Rules and myself is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you don't know anything about options and you ended up on this video somehow, down below I do have 3 courses teaching you about options from top to bottom, as well as a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activity. Now, the first stock that we're going to be looking into today is actually going to be IQ. And this company is actually in the business of internet video streaming services. That's pretty much what they do. And there has been quite a bit of unusual options activity for the past couple of days on this stock. Looking at the chart, let me actually, hold on, give me 1 second. Looking at the yearly, we could tell that this stock for the past couple of months or so, for the past month or so, for the past 15 days or so, has been getting clobbered. And it does look like it caused some type of support at the bottom there. So technicals are just looking great for IQ right now. There's nothing stopping me from getting into a position on here. And I do have a position for June 18th. I have about 2 of his contracts, about $100 risk, or $100 something risk. And if you guys know the way I do things, this is the way I like to do it. I like to go small just in case the trade goes against me. I do not lose as much money as I would have lost if I would have gone in extremely aggressive. So looking at the option, today's option statistics, we can see that 46% of the options, of the call options that were traded today, were traded at the ask or above, meaning that someone pretty much purchased, or not someone, most of the people that purchased calls pretty much bought the calls and didn't get out of the contract. So looking down here at the option time and sales, we can see this is very aggressive call buying, and this has been going on for a couple of days, and it makes sense. You know, the technicals, that's exactly what the technicals are telling us. The technicals are telling us that it caused some type of support and now it is reversing. So this is definitely something that's looking good. I'm really liking IQ for the short and long term in this situation. So this is the first one that I have for you guys. The second one that I have for you guys is actually a company called Excel Fleet. And what they do is they actually create parts to make vehicles hybrid. Now, regardless of the situation, guys, make sure to always do your own due diligence. So do a little bit of research on this company if it is something that you're interested in. However, this company, once again, has been getting clobbered for the past couple of months or so. It was, at some point, it did hit 35. This looks like, you know, it was throughout the whole hype of the EV, electric vehicle thing, electric vehicle situation, and, you know, things just popped off and then just started selling off. But today, it looks like someone came in here and is pretty much trying to buy the dip. As you guys could tell, 44% of his options, of the call options, were traded at the ask price. And coming down here to the option time and sales, we could see that, yeah, there's a lot of call buying, specifically cheaper options. Now, what really got me here was the amount of contracts getting traded on this stock is unbelievable. Now, you know, if you guys look at the volume, that is extreme for the amount of open interest that we see. Now, that's not just only for April, that's also for May. We can also see that there's quite a bit of volume on here compared to the open interest. As far as everything else goes, it doesn't look like it carries over. It just it looks like a short-term type of bet. So they're betting for the 16th of April and the 21st of May. So this is definitely something I am going to be keeping my eye on. I am not going to get in right now simply because of the fact that that looks like the first real bounce right there. So I want to see how this plays out. I want to look at this company. I want to see exactly how that plays out after this unusual options, and, you know, see how it starts recovering. But this is definitely something I'm looking at. However, how volatility is extremely high, once again, because it has been getting clobbered. Usually when a stock goes down, the volatility goes up, which simply much means that, you know, the more the stock goes down, the higher the move expectancy. And you know, and that's pretty much the case. That's the reason why the volatility is so high. So I'm also trying to see if I could actually wait for that volatility to come down a little bit. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. This is definitely something I'm liking. But that's pretty much it, guys. I really appreciate everybody that has been subscribing, liking the videos. I really appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe if you're liking the videos. I will keep them coming. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Love you guys.